Okay, so in this tutorial we're gonna install Cakephp 3 on Windows 10. So first we're gonna download Laragon. So basically Laragon is a universal and I'm gonna say web development in my personal opinion. So and yeah, so let's just start it. So go to the downloads and download the full version because Node.js, npm, yarn, get, php, ruby, python, all of that are on one software. So yeah, so download this and let's just start it. Okay, so open your Laragon after you install, and we're gonna install something. So we're gonna install PHP first. So on your tools, quick add and get a PHP. So it will install the PHP. So 7.3, and you can configure it what version you want to install. Okay, so the installation is done. So start all. I want you to start all the Apache and MySQL, and I want you to do is right click Laragon, quick up. No. I want you right click quick up and Cakephp. So click Cakephp and name Cakephp 3, something like that. Okay, so we have to wait until the installation is done. Okay, so at this point, so Cakephp 4 is released, so it applied on Cakephp 3 and 4. It doesn't matter anyway, and you can specify the quick app config on that. So basically just a composer. You can change on here, and you can change the version of something like that on here. Prepare project Cakephp. Yeah. Okay, so we have to wait until the installation is done. So click yes. So copy this URL, copy this like that. Okay, wait. Okay, so we need to accept this prompt. Click yes, and we're set to go. Okay, so let's clear this. CLS and open your localhost. So basically we're on the port 82, so on your default it's port 80, right? So put your port 80 and the name of the file, and yeah, so we install this, and okay, so if you see this error and the data source configure debug kit was not found in config.app.php, you go to the Cakephp 4. The latest version, basically 4, and you know what we're gonna do is, because of HQLite, can we just copy this and paste it on here? Okay, so we cannot install the, in order to fix this, it's like config.app we're gonna open our source, and they say config off.php, open it, and in option of data source you sub like this, debug it. Where is it? Okay, so we're gonna just copy this. Okay, if you're going to develop on Cakephp, so the learning curve for this is so steep, I'm not gonna lie. And refresh and do the thing. It did not fix. Okay, so we're gonna cancel that, save, nothing's changed, so we're gonna look for okay, so we're gonna test this guy, PDO SQLite. So open your, I'm gonna close this and right click Laragon and on PHP, click PHP and extension SQLite, so PDO SQLite. Okay, click this one. I think we'll solve everything. Okay, so we install and go back. Yeah, it's solved. So the learning curve for this is so stiff, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna comment this guy. So you know what, yeah. So if you're gonna install Cakephp 4, I think the learning curve is so stiff. So I don't know, man. Should read the documentation and the issue debug, something like that. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah. So thank you for watching. So this guy, so SQLite, yeah, it works. So yeah, thank you for watching.